Hi friends, welcome to iBDLOADED. On our website, we have many things you can perform on our website. If you are into music, if you are into sports, and if you are into businesses, this is our website, you can find it useful. I'm going to show you what you can do on our website. Now firstly, let us check our front end. As you can see, we have enough content. We have promoted ads, like this one is a promoted ads, and it will be delivered to 1 million people per day. So you can see we have unlimited items, unlimited posts on our website. Now let me quickly show you what you can do on our website. Number one, you can advertise. Anything you have, if they're ebooks, if your business, anything you have, we have millions of users each day. We have millions of visitors each day, unique visitors. Now you want to advertise, just click on this advertise button. Now after this, it will take you to where you can contact and where you can advertise your product. Now after this one, you can see steps to advertise on iBDLOADED. These are the steps. But what are the type of ads we accept? These are the types of ads. And you can see the sizes. So make sure you comply to these sizes. And after that, you submit your ads. And it will be shown on our website. And it will be delivered to millions of users. Now we have video ads, rich media ads, and we have text ads. Any ads you want, we deliver it for you. Another form of ads we offer the sponsored post, SMS or email marketing. And for advertised rates, this is our rate. Just visit this email, send us message via this email, and then we send you our rate. Now the second thing is live scores. If you're into sports, you can check live scores that is going on right now. Let me click on it and show you. On this, you can see we have it here. Like today, you can see Aston Villa and Man City. So Tottenham. So we have live scores as well. So which means this URL can copy it somewhere in your, maybe in your logbook, where you can be checking it every time and see the live score that is going on. Now what about other thing we have? Let me go straight to promote. If you have music or songs you want to promote, you can still come to our website. On our website, you can promote your song. Let me just click on promote. You see details on how to promote your music. Now you can see it here. And if you promote, let me tell you, we have many users, many people that have promoted their music, their songs, and their videos. So, like a day, you have like 1 million views a day, and then you see the growth in your business. So you can reach us via phone call, WhatsApp, Telegram, or send us email. Another one, we have different channels. You can open channels, and then you can even broadcast live. So our website is the #1 entertainment website in Nigeria. And I'm very sure as you are into our website today, you will enjoy it, and then you find what you are looking for. It will help your business, it will grow your business. As you can see, we have enough content and we have many users per day. Thanks for watching.